In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Slack account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar of your Slack interface. You will see an option labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a whole world of applications that can enhance your Slack experience. Now, we're in the Apps section, where you'll see various applications available for integration. You can browse through the options or even use the search bar if you have a specific app in mind. For example, if you're looking to integrate Trello for project management, scroll until you find it, or type its name in the search bar. Once you locate the app you want, you'll see an Install button next to it. Click that button to start the process of adding the app to your workspace. After you click Install, you'll be redirected to what's known as the Slack Marketplace, which provides more detailed information about the app you're looking to add. Once here, look for the Add to Slack button on the app's detail page. Go ahead and click that. This will prompt a new window to open, and we're getting closer to finalizing our setup. At this point, you'll be asked to review the permissions that the app is requesting. Permissions are essentially what the app needs access to in order to function properly within your workspace. It's very important to read through these carefully to ensure you're comfortable with what the app will have access to. Once you've reviewed the permissions, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the app to operate in your workspace. Great! You're almost done with the installation. The last step involves linking your account for that specific third-party app. For instance, if you added Trello, you'll need to log into your Trello account to complete the integration. A prompt will appear asking for your credentials for that app, so just enter your details. This step ensures that Slack can communicate with your app efficiently. Once you've completed the account linking, you should see the app appear in your Slack sidebar under the Apps section. This means you've successfully integrated it. Now you can start engaging with the app directly within Slack, making your workflows smoother and more organized. And there you have it. You've successfully added an app to your Slack workspace. Apps can really help streamline your processes and boost your productivity, so don't hesitate to explore more options available in the marketplace. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe.